Cosplay is a quintessential part of San Diego Comic-Con. People spend all year perfecting their costumes before parading around on the Saturday of the convention, showing off their wares to the world.
You know, dressing up and playing a role and you know, playing a part or becoming a character is a huge part of like a Comic-Con experience. You know, the vibe at Comic-Con is very like fun, and you know, there's so many different characters, all fandoms. It's all welcoming. It's really cool to be able to like plug yourself in.
Oh, it's just so much diversity. It's so much fun being at Comic-Con 2024. I love coming to Comic-Con. I come every year, and it's just so spectacular. Oh, I come to see all the costumes, all the fun and enthusiasm.
People like Desiree Preston spend months perfecting their costume. She dressed up as Mad Moxie from the Borderlands video game.
She's just a little firecracker, and I love her. And she's just got this air of like, oh yes, I'm me about her, that it's nice to slip into that personality, because I'm not like that in real life outside of this costume. I'm very meek-mannered, all covered up kind of person. So she's just a fun person to slip into.
With so many people dressing up, it creates a unity with attendees of the convention. So while the United States appears divided politically, cosplayers, like one who referred to himself as just Deadpool 5, an amalgamation between EDM star Deadmau5 and comic book character Deadpool, think many Americans need to learn from the Comic-Con experience.